Hey everyone, we're gonna do a 1 hour chart video. It's 8:19 on 6/29/22. It's Wednesday morning on the East Coast. This is Aussie CAD. Change this to the 25 EMA. All right, so we have the 25 EMA, RSI. These are just round numbers, the 50 and the 00. All right. Keep in mind, Fed Chair Powell speaks in the 9 o'clock hour, as well as the ECB president. So I probably won't make any trades till after 9. All right, Aussie CAD, we got an engulfing candle off the 50 number. And then it looks like you're making another engulfing candle here, but this candle's not going to close for another 40 minutes, so we'll come back. But this is definitely something to watch. Here's an engulfing off a round number. Here's an engulfing off a round number. A reversal candle off a round number. Aussie Chief. Aussie Chief. This is similar to the Aussie CAD trade. Again, both of these pairs are oversold on the 1 hour here on the RSI, and not sure about the 4 hour here. Some divergence here. I'd add this pair too. Aussie JPY. Got a break of this trend here. This little down move. Pulling back to the round number and the RSI, or the EMA. Another good watch. Aussie NZD. Could see a new high, or breakdown. New high, breakdown. Simple. I don't trade this pair, so. All right. Potential reversal candle off the round number and the EMA. This is the pair I want to trade. This is what I usually trade during the week on the short to medium term. Add that. Getting ready to make a new high on the CAD yen. Would like a pullback first, then go. CAD Swiss, similar to the Aussie Swiss, got a reversal candle. It's a little under the round number, but if we were looking to trade this down, wait for the break of this, continue lower. For upside, get a little higher, correct, go. Not sure what this is going to do. This is another one of those pairs, like the Pound Chief, that's a little hard to trade. It's not like the Aussie or the Euro. Euro Aussie, it's come back down. We're at the round number and the EMA. This is interesting. I'm going to add this, even though I don't usually trade that. Let's check out the, probably nothing going on here yet. But, indecision on the 15. We'll see what happens. I'm going to watch this pair. Euro CAD is coming down after this flat. See what happens when it gets down here to the round number. You're a chief. Nice hourly doji or indecision candle right off the round number. Add this to the watch list. Also oversold. Check the 4 hour, see if it's oversold there too. Yep. Good pair to watch. Euro JPY. Possible engulfing candle around the round number. Euro NZD. See what happens when it gets down here. If it pulls back, might be a good trade down. Euro USD. Again, I'm going to stay away from this till like 10 o'clock at least. A little messy. We'll see if it can get down here. I could go back up or break, correct, make a new low. Pound Aussie. Looks like an impulse. Wait for the correction, then more downside. Pound CAD. Made a new low. See what happens when it gets down to the round number. Pound Chief. Like the other Chief pairs, Swiss pairs, you're getting that indecision and engulfing on the round number. And it's oversold on the RSI. Probably on the 4 hour too. Pound JPY. A lot of short price action here, right off the EMA and the round number. Maybe we'll take a short on this pair. Add that to the watch list. Pound NCD. Indecisive. A lot of movement here. Could continue. You have to watch this during the day. I'll check back later. I'm going to do a 4 hour chart video too. Probably either around the 9 o'clock hour or the 1 o'clock hour. So check back. Pound USD. Indecision off the round number. Oversold on the RSI and divergence. Add that to the watch. NZD CAD, engulfing candle off the round number. Add that. Also oversold with divergence. NZD JPY. Nice engulfing. We're on top of this round number. Could have a flat here. It's possible. I'd want it to get down here, make a correction back up, then go. Until then, this could do anything. It could come out of here, correct, go up. You never know. So we'll be watching this pair. NZD Chief, same as those other Chief pairs, except you're in the middle of the round numbers. It's good to use these round numbers as a guide sometimes. I don't use them every time, but if we could get back up here, go for a sell. This is one of those New Zealand USD pairs that if I'm already in a Aussie USD trade. Sometimes I'll look at this on the higher time frames, but I always like to trade the Aussie rather than the New Zealand. USD CAD. There's that flat. I did a short this morning. Go check it out on the channel. But there's this flat on the 15 and 1 hour. You're getting some movement off the round number. I'm hoping for this trade. But like I said in the short, it can always just keep going. USD Swiss. Same as those other Swiss pairs. Nice reaction. If you're looking to take this up, wait for the correction first. USD JPY. Reaction off the round number. Not sure what to do here. You're oversold with divergence. Come back down. Or break up. This is one of those little difficult pairs right now. I don't know if I'd be messing with this against the trend. There are other pairs to take that are better. US oil. New high on the 1 hour. Oversold. Look at the daily. What a nightmare. Hopefully this corrects for downside. Silver. Big move up. Maybe you get this trade. Man, trading view is so slow. It's annoying. All right, you get the gist. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, look for this. What happens at the trend line? Maybe you should get this for a new low. Gold. Same trade here. What happens at the trend line? Looks like we already have a trend line here on the higher time frames. This is what we did on the weekly outlook. 1, 2, 3. Still possible. See what happens here. If we're going to get a downside, break up, could get this move. Chief JPY. 1 hour chart. Some reaction off this round number. We'll see if it keeps going. DXY, same as the euro. Break up. 1, 1, 2, 3, or break down, correct. New low. Still in this wave if that happens. All right, everybody. I'm going to do another 4-hour video. Again, probably, I don't know. We could do it between the two candles, between 9 and 1 sometimes. So check back on the channel. I'm going to also make some shorts, all right? Make sure you watch these Aussie pairs. Those ones that were making the engulfings off the round numbers. You might get something today. All right. Thanks, everybody. Later.